Hi everyone, this is task 4 for lab 8 performing a zonal operation. In step 1, in ArcGIS Pro, insert a new map frame. For that, go to insert and then new map. And we need to rename the map frame to task 4. So right click on the data frame for map 4, go to properties and name it as task 4. And then click OK. Next, we need to add Precip GD and HUC GD to the contents pane. So let us do that. So right click Precip GD and then add to current map and do the same thing for HUC GD. Right click, add to current map. And once you have added both of these to the contents pane, in step 2, in the geoprocessing pane, you need to search for zonal statistics. For that, go to analysis and then go to tools and search for zonal statistics and use the tool zonal statistics is table. In step 3, select HUC GD as the input raster. Use value for the zone field and use Precip GD is the input value raster. Save the output table is Precip underscore HUC. Leave the ignore no data in calculations box checked and leave all other parameters set to their defaults and then click run. The Precip HUC table will show up under standalone tables in the contents pane. And then in step 4, we need to join the Precip HUC table to the HUC GD raster. So for that, right click on the HUC GD raster and then go to joins and relates and then add join. And here you need to use the value field for both the input join field as well as join table field is the key input join field. And then you can click OK. In step 5, open the attribute table of the HUC GD raster. So right click and then open attribute table for it. The value field is the watershed ID and the mean, max, range, mean, etc. is the precipitation statistics for each watershed. And you can answer question number 8, which says that which HUC zone has the largest mean annual precipitation. For that, you can sort mean by descending to get the largest mean annual precipitation, and you can use the information from the object ID field or HUC zone to help you answer question number 8. And in task 4, you need to create a map. For that, before creating map, you need to first change the symbology of the HUCD raster. So right click HUCGD and then go to symbology and then use the field mean, and you need to have the all lower value means to have the same color except the mean with the largest precipitation value. So right click on the symbology and change all other values to the same color except the largest mean annual precipitation. So let us do that. You do not change the symbology for the last one. It has to be different from the rest of the values. You just make the color for the largest mean annual precipitation different than the rest of the other colors. And then you need to make a map of your result. So for making map, go to insert and then new layout, and then you can choose your layout. Add the map frame, and then you can use the activate tool to zoom to the appropriate scale. When you are done, you can close activation, and then you need to include your name, date. For that, you can go to the text, and then you can add text showing your name and date, and then also add north arrow, scale bar, and then add title, add legend, make sure your legend shows clearly to the readers which is the largest mean annual precipitation. So the largest mean annual precipitation has to be of different color than the rest of the means. And then make your map nice and neat. And that's all for lab 8. This is the end of lab 8. Thank you.